everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is insert multiple records into MySQLi database in PHP. How to insert multiple data records into MySQLi database into PHP. So the syntax for inserting the data as multiple ways in PHP is in double quotes and then semicolon. In between this, insert into, after that table name. So the first thing is which we have to pass is the column. So we will write here C1, that is column 1, C2, C3, that is column 1, 2 and 3, so on as we need it. After that, the second thing is to pass that is the value of these columns. So we will write here values. After that, round braces, and we will write the values into our single quote, that is value 1, value 2 and value 3 as compared to this. So if we want the data to be displayed on the multiple lines, so we will copy this line and enter the line again, that is insert into table name. So only these things will be same and the values will be changed here. Suppose value will be value 2, 2, 1 or something as it is, 3, 1, 4, 1. So this line would be same, the syntax will same, only the values will be different. So I need 3 rows, so I will write here V31, V32 or V3 like this. After the semicolon and then double quotes. Suppose this is my display screen, so I am having column number 1, column 2 and column 3 as written here. So the values will be passed as V1 here, V1, and after that the second value, that is V2, after that V3. Because we have taken 3 columns and 3 values, so this is the display screen, how it will be displayed the multiple records into a MySQLi database. So for an example, PHP tag start and PHP tag close. So first of all, we will create a connection. So for the connection we need localhost, that is a server name. So after that we name, that is username, that is root. After that password, that is empty. So after that database name, suppose database name is ABC and then semicolon. So now we'll put these into a variable. So localhost is server name. So we'll write here server. Next is root, so it is a username, so we'll write here $user. Next is password, so we'll write here $pass. After that, this is the database name, so we'll write here $db. So after that, to make a connection, we use MySQLi connect. After that, round braces start and close and then semicolon. After this, we'll put these 4 variables into this. So we'll write here $server, comma, $user, comma, $pass and comma, $db. So we'll put these into a variable. Suppose my variable name is $connection, that is CONN. So after that, we'll write the query of insert multiple data. So we'll write here in double quote start and close and then semicolon. So we'll write here insert into, suppose my table name is student. After that, in round braces, we will write the values of the column. Suppose my first column name is serial number, second is name, and third is roll number. So after that, we'll pass the values. So we'll write here values and then semicolon. So after that, here we will write the value. Suppose serial number 1 is 1, second is name A, and third is roll number, that is 0, 1. So this is the first value. So after that we need a multiple records. So we'll go to the next one. So first of all we'll write these into a variable. Suppose a variable name is $SQL. So after that I use this second line, copy and paste here, that is $SQL and then concatenate. So same will be printed. After that insert into student and then column is same. So we'll write here serial number, name and roll number. So after that values will be changed. After that semicolon. So we'll write the values into single quotes. So all the values will be written into single quotes. So this is, that is serial number 1 and here will be 2. After that B and this is 0, 2. So after that we need another data. So we'll write again $SQL concatenate and the same thing will be printed and then semicolon. After that insert into student and then again the column will be same, that is serial number, name and then roll number. After that the values would be changed. So we'll write here values and then in single quotes the values will be printed as this is, as it is. The name is C and the roll number is 03. So after that we'll go to the if statement, that is a conditional statement. In between this we'll pass that my SQL I multi-query. After that we'll join the two variables, that is connection and these variables, that is $SQL. So we'll write here $con and $SQL. So after that curly braces start and over. In between this we'll pass the echo so that we could be knowing that our data is saved. So we'll write here data recorded. After that if this statement is false, then curly braces start and over. First of all we'll write else and then echo. In echo we'll print the error. So if this statement is true, so it will be printed as on the display screen, that is data recorded. If this statement is false, then it will print the error. So in the database, so this is my database. So the values will be added as in this way. Suppose my first column is $serial number, second is name and third one is roll number. So these are the values which will be put as serial number 1, column number 1 is 1 and name is A and roll number is 01. After that 2 and then B and 0, 2, after that 3, C and 0, 3. So in this way we can insert the multiple records into MySQL database into PHP. So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.